Okay. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So please go ahead with your project idea and the status.
Good evening, sir. Sir,
Good evening.
actually, we are about to make an app which I already mentioned. It is going to be a cam scanner type app. So we were working. We had informal meetings with all the team members. So we were working on some APIs and figuring out which of the APIs or that frameworks would be available. So we are right now in a planning phase. We have not implemented any because now we have some our placement season also. So sir, we are little bit focusing on that too.
Okay. What is your topic?
Sir, we are building a cam scanner like app. It is
Document processor.
document processor.
Okay. So topic is finalized. Is there any issues in title?
No, sir, the topic is finalized. We have to move on with this only.
Okay. Okay. So what are the technologies have you selected?
So we are working on iText. We will work on iText PDF or PDF Box API. It is an API for developing image processing various format doc and other to PDF. So we will working on that API and also on Android Studio for developing
For
Android
building
app.
the app.
Okay. Okay. These will be the features in your project.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the roles of different team members?
So that we haven't decided yet because we are just studying how we have to implement. So we are not in that phase to decide who will do what.
Okay. So have you referred any website? Aman, am I audible?
What, sir?
Aman, am I audible?
Aman?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aman, go ahead. What is your role?
Sir, rule is not yet.
Hello.
The rule is not yet defined. कौन क्या करे?
Okay. Okay. Any resources you are referring, any app you have referred till now, any article you have studied.
Yes, sir. We have sir, taken some ideas from GitHub project which are already available on this format. One was I'm not recalling the name right now, but it was similar to app which we want to build. We have some sort of idea, sir.
Okay, so I think I'm searching on the internet. So there are few apps you are taking as a reference, no? Adobe Scan, like
Yes,
Cam
sir.
Scanner,
Cam scanner.
uh, Clear Scan. Okay, so basically, I think this app will convert the PDF. One feature, they will perform the scanning from the images. They will support the OCR and others. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think that you have to finalize your features. Okay. So there are
Okay,
some
sir.
features here. Just note it down and uh, take a group meeting and finalize the all features inside your app. And whatever your features you have finalized, we will stick to that till the final project submission. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And Shivam,
So
uh,
yes, go ahead.
Shivam, we tried to add something more, right? From the video, we can capture the images and build a PDF. What about that feature?
Yes, yeah, we will be doing that. Sir has already mentioned that we will add some more features and finalize it. We
Okay,
will
okay,
do it in that way.
okay, sir.
Okay, so one feature also will be that you can upload the images if you have an image.
Yes, sir. That
And
will be
Yeah.
yes, sir. That will be a part because we will upload images from Google. We will provide option to upload it from Google Drive too, sir. Google
Okay.
Drive and offline devices.
Okay, if I will go to the GitHub, I think you will find out the many source code for document scanner development. And okay, so have you finalized the language? In which language
Yes,
you are
sir.
going to develop?
Java, sir. We will be working on
Java.
Okay, so basically you are referring the Java language. Okay, that is also
Yes.
finalized. Any framework? Any
Yes, sir.
framework finalization?
iText or PDF box framework.
iText, one moment. iText,
iText.
PDF, box.
Yes, sir. These are two different APIs, sir. iText is different and PDF box is different.
Okay, I think you will get the code regarding this API also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, basically it will convert HTML to PDF, PDF redaction, SVG support, better, okay, PDF labeling. Okay, okay, that is also finalized. Okay, so I think features would be finalized, and if we'll talk about the language and tools should be finalized after this meeting, and the role of each and every member should be also finalized. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay,
and
sir.
make a time plan. So I think it's a September first week. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so first thing you have to submit the SRS. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so software requirement specification will be submitted in within this semester. So let me open the one SRS. I was the project in charge, so I have SRS. One moment. Is the document visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I think this will be the requirement for your 6 month project. So that's it. So table of contents is you have to provide the introduction. So apart from the feature and tools and role of members finalization, one part will be your introduction. So you have to define the purpose, document convention, audience and reading suggestion, product scope, and references. So basically, you have to study what is a document scanner, what are the existing document scanner. Okay. Then you have to define the overall description, product perspective, product function. So basically, feature will be there. UML diagram. So another point will be UML diagram. Okay, that is also a separate important point. And then design implementation constraint, not tough user documentation assumption. You have to assume some points here. One moment. Okay. Then interfaces, hardware interfaces, software interfaces, then system features. Okay. So I have created the PDF for the your senior student, fourth year one. They have passed out. I have also provided some description. What can you be included in that? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is a one thing we have to prepare in this semester. Apart from that, we have to prepare PPT. So PPT is okay because we can refer the whole documentation.
Sir, there is a request that
Okay.
now
One.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Sir, actually now
Yeah.
from tomorrow, like we have our placement online test now. So this month is like busy. We have busy schedule because there are many companies now coming. So it will not be possible to prepare it this in
We'll
this month.
one moment, Siva. We'll talk about it. Let me complete first. Okay. And one document will be required. Your SRS format. Oh, sorry, synopsis. So SRS will be submitted in 6 months. And synopsis will be submitted in I think within this month or maybe a first week of October. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
this will contain introduction, objective, motivation related for proposed method, plan of work. Only 6 points, and it will be around 10 to 12 pages. Okay, 10 pages documentation. So introduction will be around 1 to 2 page. Objective will be half page. Motivation around 1 page. Related work around 4 to 5 pages. Proposed method plan work. So please finalize this point. These are also a point you have to consider. Okay. So do one thing. First thing, whatever the point we had discussed, just finalize those points. Okay, and make a time plan and make a table and put down all the points and their deadline. One column will be containing the points, second column will be containing the deadline, and third column will be containing the team member who is responsible for that particular task to be completed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Make a this time plan. In the next week, when we'll have a meeting on Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, as your suitability. Then we'll discuss about the based on those table, what is the status of particular task and what is done by the particular members. Okay, if you are having any issues regarding placement and so on, that's okay. We can. I will leave to you all this time plan and all these features. Please discuss with your all members and finalize the whole points, deadline, and the team member role. Okay, I
Okay,
this
sir.
okay. This project should also be done side by side with your placement and other activities. So I'm not proposing you that you should have a very strict timeline. You can be very flexible to that.
Mm.
But my whole objective is that whatever the target we are having, that must be achieved. It should not be done that in the last month of this semester in November and December you will come and then we'll discuss these points and then we'll start doing finalizing those things. So that will be an extra burden on you. Okay, so guys,
Okay, sir.
that's all from my side in today's session. If you have any questions, we can discuss about it. Any doubt?
No, no, sir. No
No, sir.
doubt.
Sir,
Oh,
actually,
yes,
yes, sir.
yes.
Sir, if you suggest some features that we could add in our project, like what more features we could add, or some suggestions from that we
No,
can.
that's okay. Do one thing, just find out the similar app and go through them and find out the features from them. Okay, just try to make a document on that. When will we proceed in our development phase? If we find out some exciting thing, we'll include that. So
Okay, sir.
project development doesn't mean that you can't include something or you can't include in future. You can do both. You can
Mm.
include the things, you can exclude the thing both. But the base idea will not change. The base feature will not change, and whatever the team members' role that will not change. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
The whole purpose is to learn, to find out, to get excel in code and documentation and so on.
Sir, and one more question, that we have three members. Okay, so sometime there may be situation that one who is working on some different module may not complete it, or some other might having that interest to work on that module too. So sir, can we share our works and make it so, let it be, so can it be little bit flexible or not?
Okay, you have all the flexibility. My purpose is that every member must responsible for some task to be completed.
Okay,
It
sir.
doesn't need that he or she is the only responsible person to do the task. he or she can monitor the task. Suppose Aman is a coordinator of that particular task. So Aman can distribute the task between all of your members. And but the whole purpose is that I will ask Aman that what is the status of this task. So responsibility of the task to be the Aman. Who is doing the task? That is the runner. Okay, that is a teamwork.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Any more question?
No, sir.
No, sir, not
ठीक
from
है.
my side.
So please create a report, minute of meeting, where you have to write down each and every point we have discussed with the table, and I will mail you the SRS and the SDD template, or you can also request your current project coordinator. She will mail you the SRS and the documentation and so on. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you. All the best for your
Thank you, sir.
placement and so on. Okay,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you.